Hi, I'd like to tell you about this cutting board oil that I bought. I have switched over to wooden cutting boards instead of plastic, but there is a little bit of maintenance involved with this. About once a month or so, you do want to make sure that you're using a food grade oil on your cutting board. So let me show you how I do this. I've already done this side and now I'm going to do this side, and you basically just pour a little bit of the oil on the cutting board, and then you're just going to use a dry cloth to kind of work it in and work it into that wood grain. I'm just going to add a little bit more here, and then I'm going to be really generous with it because I'm going to let this sit overnight to soak in. So I want to have a good decent amount of oil on here. So what I'm going to do is in the morning, then I will use a new dry cloth to wipe off the excess oil. And then after that, I will probably use a cutting board wax, though you don't really need to. The cutting board oil does fine itself. So this is, that after I wipe off the excess, it will look like this, just like it does on that side. So yeah, it works out really well. I do this about once a month on all of my wooden cutting boards. Thanks.